Just got a new light, guys, from Olight. This is the all-new Baton 4 Pro flashlight. There's a QR code in case you want to learn more. And let's open this up. So starting off here, gonna take that thing off. Inside, they always have the same typical packaging. So you have the instructions back here on how to start things. Make sure you take out that insulating film. It is a magnetic charging, but I think they also have USB-C charging. Yes, they do. And so here are the different specifications. So you can get up to, let's see here, a Baton 4 Pro can get up to 1600 turbo. I mean, I'm gonna have this freeze frame here so that way you guys can take a look at the specs yourself. All right, and then also all the different modes for the functions. Awesome. So now let's take a look at the light itself. You do have, a little place here where you can put the light. So I'm assuming that this just clicks on there, you can see, or even it's on there as well. So that's pretty cool. And it comes with the proprietary charger, which goes down here. Just goes like that. But there is a section down here where you can expose the USB-C and you can charge it through there. And let's open this up. So opening this up, I want to take this piece off and screw that piece back on. And we can take a look at how bright this gets. Okay. It's even brighter. Double click is turbo. You can really feel the heat in that. And then automatically it remembers it. So let me just turn it off there. Let's see if it has a memory. Yes, it does. Triple click. Ooh, strobe. Sorry about that, guys. But there you have it. This has that green body to it. I really like that. And there isn't really much on the box, but this clip right here, I'm sure you can take off if you want. And there's a two-way clip, so it goes down this way, or you can clip this way on a hat. And that's it, guys. This right here is the Baton 4 Pro. Check it out. Like that. And there is your indicator right there as well. So, different modes. So you have it there. Got here. Boom. 2, 3, turbo. Whew. So definitely need some charge here, and you got that indicator on that side. But there you have it, folks. The Olight Baton 4 Pro.